sorry I haven't been posting in a while, but I'm gonna do a long video today, so hopefully you enjoy. So, just gonna grab a bag. Yeah. An MRE. And a whole fist. And we're gonna be trolling. In lobbies. And I will also be showing the new update. Just look at that lava. How are we gonna make through? I just got to try and hit people. But yeah. Anyways, if you wanna join my fan code, I'll be in here basically every day. So it's P E R T. Don't know why I've got it as that, but for now that's my code. So let's get to.
Oh, I don't have ammo. Shit. What did I do? What did I do?
Let's try and
What did I do? What did I do, bro? What did I do? Okay. Oh my god. Guys, why are we all fighting with lances? Hey, so I just gave everybody freeze. Yeah, I'm the only one who's shooting. Let's kill someone.
Oh, this is fun.
Ow, fuck.
Whoa.
I already killed Red Watch. Purple, come here. Purple, come here.
Oh God.
Red Watch.
Ah, yes.
Holy Red Watch.
He wants to trade for a Galaxy Umbrella. He wants to trade for a Galaxy Umbrella. He wants to trade for a
Yeah, I
Galaxy
have something more better than a Galaxy Umbrella.
Galaxy Umbrella. He wants to trade for a Galaxy Umbrella.
Oh my god.
Why
He
do
wants
we
to
do
trade
it?
for a
Wait,
Galaxy
where are you,
Umbrella.
bro? Me.
Galaxy Umbrella. He wants to trade for a Galaxy Umbrella.
Huzzah, mi amigo, huzzah! I have a Galaxy black suitcase. Huzzah, mi amigo.
Kill him!
Don't even make
Kill him!
Why?
Trade for a Galaxy Umbrella.
You're Red Watch!
Galaxy Umbrella.
I am very friendly.
Umbrella.
Help me, I will help you.
He wants to trade for a Galaxy Umbrella.
Even it out. You get
You're Red Watch.
like the Dogian.
Red Watch, Red
What
Watch,
is he
Red
gonna
Watch.
do?
Red
He won't
Watch.
give it away though. Will he? Give it, mate! Give it back! Oh my god, give it back!
Favorite.
It's got like 2 rounds in it.
I'm larger than you.
Give it back. Yeah, I forgot I have 100k. I don't wanna be stinky, bro.
Wanna fight me then? Come on.
Hold up, there's my revolver. Now you got no rounds, little bro. I hate the high beat to the beat of the drums. Oh,
That's a big boom.
how is this not doing any damage? That was a big boom.
Smash!
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, you
Yeah.
make
I'm just gonna go get some broccoli.
No, that's my bag! Give it.
Has it even got anything in?
Yeah, it's got my MRE. Just give me my bag.
I hate those hard.
Just give me it.
Me, oh, you're so weak.
Yeah, fine, I will.
I got your
Here, go on.
gun.
Thank you.
Well,
Give it back, little bro.
I'll show you. I'll show you what's in
Oh,
there.
what?
Just in
I'm not gonna
MRE.
take it. Oh.
There you go.
Ah, what is happening?
Lance. Lance.
I don't want to let that.
The Hulk loves to that, huh? Lance and Hulk.
Same level. Okay, do good.
Please don't burn me.
To infinity and.
My silly cat.
Why are you hitting me?
How the hell
abilities
Wait,
on
someone
that?
can buy me like a gun. I'm not like.
Oh my god, stop spamming me! Can we be friends? Can we be friends?
Fine.
Can we be friends?
Fine.
Hey, can we not? Yeah.
Yeah.
Kill him, kill him.
You're in a video right now anyways.
Just kill me. Just kill me, you guys. Just kill me.
Bro just died.
Do copy.
Okay,
I'm
so-
in the dark forest.
Die! Ah! Come here. Come here then.
Deeper for
You
the
wanna, you wanna fight? Come here then.
Huh?
You wanna kill my friend? You wanna kill my... You wanna kill my... Pow. Pow, pow. Nah, he tried killing...
Ow.
He took...
No. Why? I'll protect you.
No! Tingangood.
In the lava he goes.
Over the lava I go. What's one of my stickers weapons?
I can dupe this for you.
Red watch, guys. Red watch.
I can dupe this for everyone.
Yeah, get the red watch.
Really?
Wait.
There you go.
What? Oh, okay. Can I have
I can
it?
dupe.
I didn't even hit him.
How the hell?
Oh, that's big, bro. He's a VPN.
Hello guys, today I'll be showing you.
Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video.
No.
Stay tuned for more updates.